Over 130,000 Utahns have filed for unemployment since mid-March when the coronavirus began plummeting the economy.
Utah companies have furloughed thousands of workers, but what does that mean exactly, and how is it different from being laid off? It's a great question for KSL investigator Matt Gephardt. Matt, what'd you find out?
Yeah, actually, Dave, you know, over the past month, Google searches for the phrase, "What does furlough mean?" have spiked by 5,000%, that according to CNBC. So we thought we'd do a little explanation of the different kinds of layoffs folks are facing right now, and more importantly, what it means. What are your rights if it happens to you?
With questions about
the past 2 months have been extremely busy for attorney Lisa Peterson.
my phone has been ringing off the hook.
Peterson specializes in labor laws and says furlough is not a technical legal term. It's derived from an old Dutch word meaning leave of absence.
The notion is that you're going to retain your job subject to recall, but that you are, being told to be on leave without pay for a temporary period of time.
So if you're furloughed, you get to keep your job, but you lose your pay. But laid off means you're terminated, gone off the payroll. A big reason companies choose furloughs is they can bring people back on short notice when the economy gets better. And many companies will let you keep your health benefits, although they are not required to. Under the CARES Act, furloughed workers do have the right to unemployment benefits.
So there's been an expansion both of who can file for unemployment. There's been an expansion of the amount that you're entitled to on a weekly basis.
Furloughed employees have the right to get another job, but if there's a contract with their current boss, they should check those rules first because they still apply.
It may have provisions regarding non-competes. It may have provisions with other limitations.
A furloughed employee cannot do any sort of work for their boss, even taking calls or answering emails. If you do, your boss must pay you for that time if you're hourly, or pay you an entire day if you're salaried.
Sometimes employers take away laptops, take away, company-issued iPhones or cell phones so that doesn't happen.
Yeah, so if you do find yourself furloughed, forget everything your parents told you about having a good work ethic. You must resist that impulse to help out. Also, you should know employers are not allowed to discriminate when they choose who gets furloughed. They can't pick, for example, the highest paid employees or the most senior ones. There needs to be a legitimate business reason for the furloughs. Guys.
Well, let's hope that we're close to everyone getting their jobs back, and this will be a moot point. Matt, thank you.
Yes.